Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting box to unbox with you. Can you guess what it is? It's colorful and looks like it helps us learn. Let's find out together. Okay, let's open it up. Woohoo! Look what we have here. It's the Shape Sorter Adventure from ABC Learning. Wow, look at all these bright colors. It comes with different shapes too. I see a red circle, a blue square, a yellow triangle, and a green star. And look, there's a super cool box with holes for the shapes. First, let's look at this shape. What shape is this? That's right, it's a circle. And what color is it? Red. Can you find the circle hole on our shape sorter? Is it this one? No, that's not a circle. Is it this one? Yes. A red circle fits in the circle hole. See? It goes right in. Good job. Now what about this one? This is a square, and it's blue. Can you find the square hole? Is it this one or this one? Yes, that's the square hole. Let's put our blue square in. See? It fits perfectly. We're doing great. Look at our yellow triangle. Can you make the triangle shape with your fingers? Good. Now, let's find the triangle hole. There it is. In it goes. And finally, our green star. Stars are so cool. Where does the star go? Found it. Awesome. This Shape Sorter Adventure toy is so much fun, but it's also helping us learn. When we put the shapes in, we're practicing our hand-eye coordination and our fine motor skills. That means using our hands and fingers to do important things. And we're learning our shapes: circle, square, triangle, and star. We're also learning our colors: red, blue, yellow, and green. This toy helps us solve puzzles and think. It's great for little learners like you. What an amazing adventure we had with our shape sorter. We learned so much and had a super fun time playing with all the colorful shapes. I hope you enjoyed our unboxing and review today. If you want to see more fun toy adventures, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.